My project 1845, Memento Mori, is a famine memorial dedicated to the Irish potato famine. I have created an installation made from 1,845 hand-blown glass potatoes that are piled into the form of a cairn. A cairn is a man-made pile of stones that can serve as a landmarker, but in this case it represents a grave. The number of the potatoes, 1,845, references the year that the potato blight came to Ireland, marking the beginning of a period of mass starvation, disease and emigration. Over 1.5 million people died and a further 1 million emigrated. I chose to create a representation of the potato, a classic and iconic symbol associated with Ireland, using molten hot glass. As a material, glass lends itself well as a metaphor for both fragility and strength, reflecting the vulnerability and resilience of those who died and those who survived the famine. The work will travel to Ireland and be shown at Irish heritage properties and at national museums that, through their own specific histories, inform and enhance the experience of viewing the work. In this work, I have created a keepsake, connecting me to my home, culture and heritage in Ireland. But also in creating this work, I throw light on historical events that have shaped the present, and in doing so, I hope to open a dialogue on how we can learn from the past.